How to save your income. Tips to create budget. Saving and budgeting are essential financial skills that can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your future. Here are some practical saving and budgeting tips to help you manage your finances effectively. Create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses. You can use budgeting apps or create a simple spreadsheet to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Categorize expenses. Divide your expenses into categories such as housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and savings. This will help you see where you can cut back. Track your spending. Regularly review your expenses to ensure you're staying within your budget. Many apps can help you with this by linking to your bank accounts and credit cards. Set financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a vacation, having clear goals will motivate you to budget effectively. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Saving tips. Shop smart. Look for sales, discounts, and coupons when making purchases. Consider buying generic brands and compare prices before buying. Avoid impulse buying. Before making non-essential purchases, give yourself time to think about whether you really need the item. This can help prevent impulse buying. Invest wisely. Consider investing your savings in diversified portfolios, such as index funds or mutual funds, to potentially earn more over time. Remember that saving and budgeting are ongoing processes. It's essential to regularly review and adjust your budget as your financial situation changes and as you progress toward your goals. Developing good financial habits can lead to a more secure and comfortable future. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and enjoy watching the video.